Hi everyone, welcome to the my special lesson. Today we will proceed the first how to define a nested function. Let's start with it, okay? I will show you everything clearly with the example, no worries. So, firstly, look at it. How to define a nested function? We're using for the if, like if, the nested ifs. What does mean? The mean is and gates, right? Logic gates. In logic gates, and it will be like everything will be true there. In nested, we can use also for functions. Let's see what will happen. We can use our parameters with the first and the nested second function together, all parameters, and we can like display something out. That's it. It will be very short video, okay? To define a nested function, just initialize another function with a function by using the def keyword or in JavaScript, exactly function. All right. We can do also function in JavaScript. Add it there. All right. This is our two keyword. So the first one is function. The second one is def. In Python, def for JavaScript is function. Okay, I don't want to make it longer. Let's start it. JavaScript, how to define a nested functions. So let's do it quickly in here. So let's take a pencil or I don't know text point. So okay, let's think we have a function, okay? Like that. This is function. So we can represent our function. Then we have function name. For function name, let's think it could be like cells, okay? Cells. We will sell something. What we can sell? We can sell like computer or something else. And we can represent it like product. What do you think? Product, yeah. If we have product, we have also price for the product and we have properties like CPU, GPU, RAM, and a lot of things, SSD and more, okay? Let's do price. Perfect. Did you see that? We completed the first part. We have function name, cells, and function parameter. For the cells, it is related to each other. Always you should do it like that. Product. Product can be computer or phone or whatever else. And we have also price. That's perfect. Let's continue. Okay. If we continue, you need to come down. Let's go a little bit here. All right. So this is exactly the point. Nested function will be in here. Helper nested function. Let's say helper nested function. Okay. So what we need to do, let's come here and say something related to our first function name. So we can say function, yeah, get all info. What do you think? Is it good? Get all info. That's mainly. And we can add there RAM. Yeah, for computer we have RAM, and what we have more, we have GPU, yeah, and we have what? We have also SSD. Is it good? Right. Also, what you think to add in the first function, not nested one, the first one, we can add name. Yeah, there can be someone, there could be someone who will sell this product. Okay, we did all. So the first function have three parameters, which is name, product, and price. That's mainly. The second function, which is our helper nested function, we have there get all info mean. So we will return it as soon as possible. I will show you. We have RAM, GPU, and SSD. All right. So let's come down and go inside it. Do same stuff in here. Okay, what we need to do in here. So we need to display out something, but we can say return what? We can say the first, like hi, then we can say plus name. Name is something else, okay? And we can just put it the new row, okay? We can add there the new column, I mean there. All right, so what we can do right now, we can just put it, we can put it like that. And by the way, it is like that, yeah. Then we can say what? The computer price is the computer will be in this case what product, right? And it will be below, and we can say computer. No, sorry, not computer. Product. Product can be anything else in this case. Product like product price, computer price. Let's say price is. Then we can add dollar sign and we can close it and we can add here price, isn't it? Yeah. So then do it like that. Then we will continue with the properties. What do you think? Is a good idea? Yeah, maybe. Let's see. So we just came here and we need to get inside again new rows, right? Do it like that. And after that, let's say um let's do something crazy. Add again our parameter product in here. Yeah, do it. No worries. Say product. Yeah, product. And after that, say plus info. Yeah, do something like that. And come right side. Okay, now add some information. The first one will be RAM. Add our variable the in nested function. In our nested function, we have RAM, GPU, and SSD. Look, we are not using the first function. We are using nested function parameters inside it, inside the nested one, and after that, we will return it and display out with the first function. Let's see. I will show you everything. It will be like something screed. So yeah, we have RAM, and we will say in here like computer can be Apple M1 Pro Max or whatever else. We can say in here, RAM is let's say 8 gigabyte, okay? And we can say 8 gigabyte RAM, and after that, put it there and come back to here. And we need to add some other information. We can do what we can do, what we can do, something like that. Don't make it too much longer. Yeah, add it there and go to say the second info with this GPU. GPU, it's let's say plus and come down to exactly here. We'll not add any new row. So new row and just write here something. We can say the GPU will be something we will add for this parameter. We will say GPU gigabyte GPU. Let's say GB. Yeah. After that, GPU. Am I right? Yeah. Then do something else like that with the comma and the one space and come right side and say SSD parameter and open it again and say gigabyte SSD. That's the point exactly, right? After that, what we need to say, close it. Or maybe we can add here something like that. I don't know. This is much informative. So, okay, do it like that. This is exactly our points. Now we need to return this nested function, not the first one. Look, we already returned something in nested function, but to get out exactly this function, we need to do it inside sales function. We need to return in exactly first function. I mean, in here, we need to return in sales. All right, what we can say? We can say what, below of the this function, we can say return amazing. Then return what? Return that, right? But with what? Do it mainly, okay? This is the point, our point. We need to be careful for that, okay, guys? No worry, be careful. We can say return get all info, isn't it? We can do it like that. Or we can get it, okay, this one, and we can add it here, and after that we can return also like that. But don't mix your mind, okay? Let's say get all info, and what we have inside it, we have three parameters and we need to add some value there. Exactly, we need to do it inside SAS functions. How we can do it? Let's add the name, the RAM. What we can say, let's say 8 GB RAM. We can add only 8, isn't it? Yeah, let's do it. So, and after that, we can add for the GPU, let's say 4 GB, right? 408 with the screen sharing. I don't know, let's say 4. It is maybe not logical. I mean, I don't following the computer properties right now. Just I will do it like arbitrarily, okay, for you arbitrarily. And okay, this has 4, and SSD could be 256, 256. I mean, yeah, isn't it? Just check it. For RAM, we add 8. For GPU, we add 4. For SSD, we add 256. And all info will display inside it. We're using all the parameters from the first function and the second function, exactly in second nested function, all the information we already added here, right? When we add here for the get all info, when we return it inside first function, exactly because we need to get out this information, how we can do it, we need to return in the first function, right? If we do it, then we can get out. So if we didn't do it, then how we can get information from the nested? We can add a lot nested there, like get all the info, get something, get blah blah blah, but we need to return inside the back function. We need to return in the back function, the one back function. Okay, when we add it, we need to come down. Yeah, this is the point. We need to say console.log, or we can just say cells, but I will now bring it the another side. I mean, let's do it like that. Cells, this is our first function. Let's say for name, this is my name. I mean, okay, Songur or Muhammed or whatever else. For the product, let's say Apple M1 Pro. Yeah, this is the computer. And what? Price. Price could be so 1256. 1250. Okay. This is the exactly price. But don't worry, okay? We already had price is signed, so price will be in here, okay? Everything will be clearly there. This is our project. So, you know what I would like to do? I would like to show you how we can do it. Would you like to see that? Let's do it together. Okay, I will show you all of them. It will be very easy for you to understand exactly what we are doing there. Okay, let's come in program. Okay, so what we have define here. We will add this ID, and after that we will display out inside here. Yeah, we can do it in here. What you think? Okay, let's do it if we can. So let's first close this to crazy point to here's encapsulation. This is another second topic and third topic I will show you. Let's come in here, guys. JavaScript. So let's start. Function sales. Now you understood everything like perfectly, right? Name, product, price, right? Come inside it and say helper function here, helper nested function in here, and say function add all info. Come inside it and add some information. What we set RAM and GPU and SSD, right? Come inside it. All right, what can we do now? We can add our all information in here. We can say return name, but not name, like do hi, but like that hi. Yeah, hi, the name then. Okay, name in here, and after that add it again there, do it new. Okay, like that, and say now. So in here exactly we need to careful for the point. for the points. So I will show you everything correctly. You can worry about it. So we can write every information in here. We can say the product. The product will be in here. Did you know that? Okay. We can say product. Okay, we added product. Now we need to use it. How we can use? We can say product info. Yeah. Let's continue. Or maybe like product. The first it will be product price. The computer is is let's do it like that is some dollar. I don't know. Okay, the price. Let's add the price there. We did. Yeah, all finish. Now we can come exactly down in here, isn't it? Okay. So would you think to continue from down? Now we can say something yet. Like what? Let's say, guys, something. What can we say? What can we say? Did. Like, yeah, we can do it in here. What do you think? Let's say computer, but maybe in here. Okay, not computer, product, and info, and we can add some information there. But we can say product info. The first one in info, the first parameter will be RAM, right? And after that, we need to add some information for RAM. We can say GB RAM plus, then what we have, RAM plus, then guys, we have GPU, let's say GPU, but after RAM, we can add here comma to show another one and say CB GPU, and we can add again a comma and space, and we can, yeah, let's add it and come down. And guys, we can say SSD in here, SSD plus, come in here and say SSD gigabyte SSD, yeah, like that. This is all information exactly. We don't have more. So it's all, isn't it? Yeah, I think. So now, guys, I told you we already returned all information inside get all info function. This is our nested function. This one is nested. Something script in this, right? This information's script inside it. How we can get out from this point? We can get with return. We can say return get all info. This is our nested function, and we need to add some information. Look, RAM, GPU, and SSD. Something like the RAM, GPU, and SSD. They will be integer. Like we can say 8 GB like before, and 4 GB for the GPU, and 256 exactly for the SSD. Am I right? So we return it. Now we need to get we need just write down below of it. So we already return it. Did you see? You can think it like console.log. Let's say it is like console.log, and we're just writing some information inside it, like get all info, and we need to return the information inside it. It will display out. Anyway, you understood, I believe. The first, we wrote for the get all info, all the information inside it with the mixed up. We mixed up with the first function parameters, name, product, price. We used inside the nested function exactly. We mixed up with the nested function parameters. We mixed all of them, the 6 parameters, and after that, we want to return out this get all info. We already added 84256 for the RAM, GPU, and SSD for the get exactly this information out after that. And we just come here and we can say what, guys? We can say, let's do, it is easy. I mean, in example I showed you that's easy, but we can add here a variable exactly to display out in the website. I mean, with the HTML connection. So what we can say what sales info. Let's say like that. And all right, we can get the information from cells. Let's say cells. This is our first function. This is not nested one because we already bring out bring out all the information from get all info with the return, right? This one, we use that already. So for the cells, yeah, some add something like name, product, price. What we can add for the name will be Songur. Let's say Songur. Product will be Apple M1 Pro. Yeah, then like that. And the price 1250. Yeah, the price will be like that. When we add these things, already we arranged all the information design in exactly here. So everything will be clearly there. All right, what screen like just come out. Yeah. Now we can say, guys, var display display out. Let's say like that. We can say document dot get element by ID. This is exactly JavaScript. I will show you in Python is easy like to do these things. All right, we can say, guys, what we can say our ID what in here define. This is our ID. We can say define. We will display inside it and inner HTML to connect there and sales info, the information exactly in our variable now because we added our function inside variable. Now our variable inside here to display out exactly in HTML page, I mean in the website. So now let's do it, guys. What will happen? What will work, isn't it? All right, it's worked. The second one's still working. What's wrong there? Let me close this, guys. I already closed, but encapsulation. Why are you working, guys? Stop it. Yeah. Hi, Songur. Apple M1. What is it? Pro is. All right. We can change this. Pro is. Pro is. Where is the Apple product? Is. Yeah. We need to add here one space. After that, yeah. Hi Songur, Apple M1 Pro is $1,250 and Apple M1 Pro info like 8 GB RAM, 4 GB GPU, 256 GB SSD. Maybe you'll say why it not display out the things. I don't know. So what we need to do, we need to maybe put in two variables site, then we can display out all of them step by step. But no need. I believe you got it, right? This is the point, guys. I will show you now. Look, this is our first variable name. We set hi name. Okay, this is hi name. 1 minute. Yeah, like that. Maybe if we do something like that in here, what you think? Yeah, it's the same. So okay, define in here div. Where is the closing part for the div? Oh, we don't have closing part. Hey, open it, guys. Close that one. No, it is exactly in here, I think. Oh my god. Close this, guys. So let's say div in here. Div. This one exactly we need. Yeah, that's still same. Closing part. I already closed it. Yeah, do it. And come here and do it. Yeah, I think it's not displaying out with the Nero, right? In here. Okay, we already know what we did. Yeah, this is the point exactly for us. So if you do something like with the like paragraph, we can display out these things together. But the point I would like to show you, let's see what is our point here. So the first we said hi, yeah, in here hi, and we put first parameter inside the first function. We used it in here, name, it is already there, like Songur, which is I did add here. I added already in the first function parameter Songur, and after that we said name plus product is in here Apple M1 Pro. So we our product also in here. This is still our in first function, and the price in here. This third one, and yeah, again we use product. Now let's come here. We used rem in the second nested function. The rem we used inside again here. We returned it, and our rem information exactly here. Did you see that? It is exactly there. This is really important point. Okay, we returned also GPU and SSD, like GPU and SSD also in here, and we just added for the RAM 8. We returned it below of the nested function, yeah, inside sales function exactly to get out. I told you, and 4 and 256 we added this information to return exactly inside cells, and we added for sales Songur and Pellemon Pro 256, and this all information displayed out exactly with the first function. It is looking something screen, right? This is the point exactly, guys. So let's come in Python. What I would like to do. Oh, I don't want to write this, guys. This is really crazy, tired, making tired. Okay, let's come here and say something. Def sales, yeah, name, product, price. Inside it, it is our nested point, like helper nested function. Function, right? Yeah, and after that, let's say something in here, like what? Um, let's say def again. What's happened here? Def sales name, everything correct. What are you doing? Yes, Scott. Just don't like crazy things. All right, got all info. Open it. By the way, we can use it also without parameters, like without parameters. Also, we can just add information inside it. But I'm just doing some complex jobs to show you exactly what we are doing. Let's add here RAM. Then let's do without it. What do you think? Yeah, let's do something like that. So let's say in here return return what name. Let's do it like that. Hi. Yeah, let's do it in Python. Let's use some specialty in Python. Hi name and do it like that. And after that, say product. Yeah, do it like product. Yeah, like that. Info is then add, not add exactly. Maybe we can add like that too, but what you think if we say later for it? We can use something different. GB RAM and GB RAM. The second one is GPU, and the what and the what and the what and the what the SSD. GB SSD. Yeah, guys, we can use format boolean function to help us exactly to do these things. No, format, not function. Okay, the first one will be name. The second one will be product. All right. And the product, but we didn't use price something here. All right, let's use it like in here. Okay. All right, we can say product for it, and also here we can use something. Let me show you guys. Just wait. The product again. We can say let's use product for it too. Price is price is. Let's add dollar sign and add here integer value. It's exactly what will happen. We will use and use it there and product info blah 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 blah. So now let's come here and say for the format name is something else. Can we use it directly? What do you think? Maybe we can add in here, guys. Okay, let's use name. Uh, and what we can do, guys, what we can do, our so we can say name the first, then product name, product price is price name product price. Okay, let's say first name, then product equals what we can use for product, but we need to add it there exactly. Maybe can't use two times, but it will mixed up there. Let's use product info in here. Okay, let's say in here product price is that. So yeah, let's delete it. Also delete this one. Now what do you think if we do it like that? Name, product, and we have price after product, right? Name, product is price, and again product and what? Info and RAM. Yeah, now we can use RAM. Well, for RAM, what we didn't add anything. Exactly, maybe we can say 8 for the RAM, 4 for the GPU, and 256 for the another one. Do you think it's gonna work? Let's say it. Return get all info like that, and come inside it. Say print sales. Name is Songur. Maybe it doesn't work. All right. So for the product, let's say Apple M1 Pro, and the price 125. No, 1250. This is my product. Let's do what will happen. Let's check it. If not, I will show you with the parameter. We can use parameters there too, guys. Is a way like how we're working with them. Let's see. Oh, right. Did you see that? It works. Hi, Songur. Apple One Pro. Apple One Pro price. Oh, I don't want to write this like that. Apple One Pro. Apple M1 Pro is let's write is yeah like that. It will be nice. I don't like it. Hi Songur, Apple M1 Pro is $1,250 and Apple M1 Pro info 8 GB RAM, 4 GB GPU, 256 GB SSD. What we can do something good things here. Exactly, let's get all this information down. How we can do it? Let's say N like that. Also add in here like that. Use it. What will happen? It will look nice, maybe. Yeah. Did you see that? Amazing information, guys. Isn't it? That's perfect. All right. Now, what I would like to do, I would like to get this information, and we already showed you everything. So we wrote everything in here too. So what I would like to do, I would like to get all this information also in here, and what I'd like to show you in here. All right, this is some crazy point. I don't want to do it like that. So maybe I can use translate to exactly show them nicely. All right, let's come here. Say translate. In translate, come inside it. Yeah, Japanese. Yeah, I'm learning also Japanese. Konnichiwa. Tomodachi go. All right. After that, tag this information so it will show nice in Figma now, not like before. Yeah, like that. Yeah, this is the second point, but it is looking a little longer. What I would like to do, maybe get this one from here. Oh my god, maybe from where? Yeah, let's do from here, okay? No worries. Come inside here. Yeah, everything like that, guys. It's all easy. This point is important. I will put in red, work on it to get information inside other point. I mean, in here. So we can delete it. So just for take it out, I will show it to you. And another point is nothing. This is important. This is for nested one. Okay. For get out this nested, how to define a nested function. Also, the point is this one is also important. Yeah, this is point for Python with it, and for where is it with the parameters I did with JavaScript. Let's tag it in purple and get this one in red. Exactly what we're talking about. That's all. I hope you get it. Thank you very much for watch. I'm the author of it, so it is not from someone. So I did this video for you. This is my experience with you, and I explained it to you. It will help you in the future for your programs. Maybe you want to do something with nested function. It will help you in Python and in JavaScript. Thank you very much for watch. I showed you with examples. Please, if you need, you can just stop video and you can copy it, or you can use for your programs. You can apply right now for JavaScript and for Python, for all of them. And this is what we did exactly in JavaScript and in Python, all the informations here. So thank you very much, guys, for joining my lesson. The second video will be exactly about nested functions with encapsulation, data encapsulation. We will do some screenshots. I will show you how to make screen your data and how to display out. So the here 1 minute. So this is also some information free from free Codecamp. You can use it. It is very good information. I added here to show you exactly. As you can see, the nested get full name exactly. It is for the another example. Function has access to the outer greeting functions parameters. First and last, this is a common for use case nested functions to serve as small helper function to a more complex outer function. So this is something else with it, okay? The second topic will be nested function data encapsulation, okay? This is another topic. See you later for the next lesson. Thank you very much for your join. Have a good time. I hope I did help you.